Hello everyone. First of all, I am sorry for my English. I know my accent is not perfect and I'm still learning, but I hope you can understand me and please be kind. Today, I want to share a tutorial of a drawing I made of Remus and Tonks. This is a fun art illustration. I imagined a moment when Remus is in his transformation period and Tonks is there to support him. I think their relationship is very special. They are one of the most important couples in the Harry Potter series. That's why I really enjoyed making this drawing. I divided the reference sketches into 3 steps. I shared all of them on my Pinterest account. If you want to try, I will put the link below. You can check it and draw your own version. I hope it will help you. I'm still new to drawing, so I'm not good with colors yet. You will see this in some parts of the video. I have trouble understanding color combinations and still makes me lose time. But I'm trying to improve. If you have any ideas, I would love to hear them. I can also make drawings based on your suggestions and share tutorials. By the way, I know the video speed is not perfect. This is my first tutorial video, so I couldn't slow it down the way I wanted. I will improve this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. If you want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. It will make me very happy. Have a great day.